Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Um, Today I'm gonna be unboxing a toy gun that I bought, a model. YouTube, please don't. This is a warning. This is a toy model gun, so please don't take my video down. First, I'm gonna show you guys my new keyboard that my sister bought me. Five Below. It can turn lights off and on. It's pretty cool. It's $5.99 for Five and Below because I told my sister to buy me it from there because I didn't know, like, this is my first keyboard, so I didn't know what to expect. And I'll make sure to like buy a different one in the future and unbox it on this channel. So let's get to unboxing the gun, toy gun. Also can come in as a revolver, which I'm gonna be ordering that later this year to to open it. I kind of opened it to test it out before I did the video, just to make sure the video is going to be good. But here it comes with instructions, tells you what not to do and what to do. And this is the instructions on what buttons to press and how to load the toy model gun. This toy model gun is a Glock 18. So this is for science and education kids. So this is just to learn the safety about a firearm. But it's a fake firearm. It's a model toy. So it comes with 3 magazines, as you can see here. This magazine, two other ones, and it comes with bags. It comes with bags to for each magazine. Each one has 6 in it, and each magazine can hold 6. As you can see, can't see really, like you can't really see, but there's like an arrow and it says 6. Wait, let me see something. Yeah, you see the arrow kind of. But yeah, and these are two projectiles that I tested. So Glock 18C. If I'm not mistaken, in real life, Glocks take um 9mm Glock 18s and Glock 9s, probably Glock 17s, but like some Glocks they take I don't want to be I don't want to say I don't want to say like a wrong caliber or anything. So like other people that know more about firearms than me don't like make fun of me. So yeah, let's get the other projectile. So this is the shell. This is the projectile. Like only this gets out. So to load it, you get the shell, get the gray part, and put it in the part where there's an opening and a spring. Don't put it in the back because you might break it if you put it in the back. Because that's where it happens. Put it in like this, squish hard, and now if you press this, it's gonna shoot really strong. So comes with 3 metal targets. Let's try it out, guys. Really happy that it came in. So to load it, you can either just push and do this, or there's like here the string that you pull. As you can see, it puts it down and do this, and then put the bullet in and let go of it. And when you put it in, don't pull back, or don't pull back because first it can break the toy gun if you pull it back. It says right here in the instructions it can break it. See? And you just shoot because if you even pull it back and it doesn't break, when you push it back forward, it goes back forward, that thing is gonna shoot without you touching the trigger. Just so when you shoot, like look, I'm gonna shoot out this box for example right now. Heard that? That's strong. The shell didn't come out because it needed to go back and then push the thing. When I shoot a second time, because the mag came out. Like as you can see, it kind of jammed. The gun jammed. That's why I need the shell without the projectile in, so you can see. See? Sometimes it jams because these are like new, but once like the motion gets in, like you keep like test firing it, shooting it, it's gonna get better. So the reason I'm shooting in the box because I don't want to I don't want to lose any of these because like when I was little I used to get like Nerf guns and stuff, and I would lose the bullets, and it would be sad because you would have to go back to the store and get some more. But these you can't find them in the stores. You have to like order another one of these in order to get more of them. So put it in, and I put the metal target inside here. And let's go. You can hear a loud ding. Ready? Off. And shut up. Let me just go retrieve the round real quick. Yeah, so retrieve the round right here, and the shell is right here. So I'm gonna put the shell back because I won't lose any of them now, and I'm gonna um and in the future I'm gonna like later on this year I'm gonna buy like the revolver I showed like on the box, like this one, like these ones. Where is it? Oh, right here. It comes with revolvers. I'm gonna buy one in the future and do an unboxing video on it. But for now, because like I don't want to lose any of them now, so let's just slide back, make sure it has nothing in it. Put it back in here. Then projectiles, put them in that corner. Shells, where's the magazines? And yeah, so this was the review. I'm gonna make a YouTube shorts about like a POV of me shooting the target to show you guys how it would look like if you were to shoot it. And I'm gonna also do another unboxing on other stuff that I ordered because I ordered a holster for this gun, and I ordered my brother like a gravity gun, the ones that you see on YouTube and TikTok. Like those little ones, but they're like a bit bigger. And I bought like a magazine holder. I'm gonna show you the orders in a minute after I close this. Wait, close it like this. I'm gonna show you the order that I got so you guys can order the same thing. You can screenshot it or do something. So let me just show you it really quick. Okay, so this is the orders. This is the gun that I got, and yeah, it's like I wanted to make sure it's this one. Just put jumping shell jumping shell model gun, and then look for the one that comes with all of these, like the 3 magazines, the 3 targets, the 18 shells, and the whatever amount of projectiles. You can choose the colors. I'm show you the stuff that I got from my brother. So first, this is the thing that I got from my brother. It's like a gravity toy gun. This if you want it. Here, this is if you want it. Just make a screenshot. This is the holster that I ordered. I think it's meant for real guns, but I ordered it to like carry the toy gun with me, like a cool thing. And I also ordered a magazine holder, magazine pouch. I hope it comes with like 2 or 3, but I think it's only one, so yeah. That's it if you want it. No, it's backwards, guys. I'm sorry. I'll try to see if I can like post onto my channel like Oh, that's the names. I'll try to post them on my channel as like a picture. So yeah, that's the stuff that I bought. And in the future, as I told you, I'm gonna buy the revolver. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching my video, and make sure to leave a like and make sure to subscribe. I'll really appreciate that, and hit the notification button, the bell, so you can be notified when I post anything on YouTube. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next one.